this question is about slope intercept form, which is y equal mx plus b. M is the slope, b is the y intercept. So first thing you will look for y-intercept, which is here. This point is 0, 1, 2, 3. So b is 3. Now you will find the slope. From the graph there are two ways. Either you can select 2 points, one point is here and second point is here. Okay? You cannot select this point because it is in the middle. Now, either you can select these 2 points, write the coordinates and use the formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. But when I will have graph, I will not use this formula. What I will do is, this graph is going down. It is going down from left to right. It is going down, so this is negative. Okay? Now, how many step down? 1, 2. 2 unit down. So 2 unit down. How many unit right? It is 1 unit right. So my slope will be minus 2. And in the equation, if I have to write, y equal minus 2x plus 3. This is how you will solve a question from the graph for slope intercept form. Now if somebody asks you point slope equation for this, point slope equation for this, then which is y minus y1 is equal m times x minus x1. Now you will need to find the slope. So slope you will find in the same way. Slope is minus 2. We already did in the previous question. Now what about the point? You can select either this point or this point. Okay, you can select any point which is on the line. Okay, now if I select this point, the coordinate here is x is 1, y is also 1. So for this point, the line point slope equation will be y minus y1 is 1, m is minus 2, x minus 1. So this is how you will write. Okay, now if you select this point here, how much is x? The x here is 0, 1, 2, 3. X is 3. How much is y? 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So when you move to the right, it's positive. When you move to the left, it is negative. When you move up, it is positive. When you move down, it is negative. Now if you want to write for this point, then point slope equation will be y minus 3. So that will give you plus 3 equals slope is negative x minus 3. That will be the equation. Now how I am saying the slope is same all the time? Why I am taking slope is here negative 2, negative 2? Because slope for a linear line will always be same. Okay, that is the concept. Now one more thing. If the graph from left to right goes up, then the slope will be positive. The slope will be positive. Now what if it is a horizontal line? If it is a horizontal line, then the slope will be 0. If it is a vertical line, then slope will be undefined. The slope will be undefined. So that's how we will solve questions on the linear equation. Now one more way. In this one, if I give you, let's say, slope is minus 2, slope is, let's say, minus 2 and a point, let's say, 1 comma 2. Now if I ask you for this question, write slope intercept equation. Write slope intercept equation. Now from this information only, forget about this information, this is extra information I'm talking about. So for this information only, how you will try now. So try by yourself. Okay, so let's do this. I ask you to write slope intercept equation. So that is y is equal mx plus b. Now if you look, m is already given. Now this is what? This is x comma y. So let's rewrite y is equal negative 2x plus b. Now what do you think, what is the problem here? I don't know b. How will I find b? I need to put the value of x and I need to put the value of y. So which is given in the question. Now y is 2 minus 2. X is 1. So minus 2 multiply 1 will give you minus 2. So no need to write extra thing. Now this is minus 2. So I will do plus 2 both side. That's gone. Now b is equal to 2 plus 2, 4. So we got our y-intercept 4. Now from this equation here, let's say equation 1, I need to substitute the value y equal minus 2x plus 4. And that is your answer. That's it. Now there is one more way. This is method 1. If I want to solve it another way, then how will I solve? So let me write it here because I don't have enough space. Let me use the small font. Now, in this one, if you see, the slope is given and a point is given. So I know the point slope equation, right? I know the point slope equation, which is y minus y1 is equal m times x minus x1. Y minus y1 is 2, m minus 2, x minus x1 is 1. Now you just solve it. Y minus 2 is equal minus 2x, because this is distributive property. Minus 2 times x minus 2x, minus minus plus 2 times 1, 2, because we multiply inside. Now this minus 2 I want to remove because I want y in the left side. So y is equal minus 2x plus 4. So you see that we are getting the same answer whenever, even if I'm using this method or this method. Okay, so that's it for this question. Let's move on to the next one. One second.